Joy lost the game by 1 point, but Mary saw enough to know this was no accident.
What a beautiful shot.
It's always him.
Aim carefully.
Just hit it.
Good shot.
If Joy loses 1 point, I can win.
Where is the ball? I found it. Did you find it?
No. It landed here.
I saw it land on the grass.
Maybe it rolled into the pond.
Because Joy lost the ball, Jack is the winner.
Thank you, Coach.
Your ball did not fall into the water.
Maybe it did.
I saw it.
Good job, Jack.
You win. Say it like you mean it.
Jack, stop.
You always take Joy's side.
This is not about sides.
You always care about him more.
Did you find a white ball with a blue star?
I found this ball underwater, and someone probably threw it in. I didn't expect it to be him.
Joy needs to know the truth. This is my ball.
We found your ball in the pond.
It was thrown there. You hid my ball. I am sorry. Why?
I wanted to win. I was jealous.
You hurt your friend.
I know.
Jack, you cheated. You cannot be the winner.
I understand.
I cheated. I took Joy's ball and threw it into the pond. Joy should have won.
I am sorry, Joy. I am glad you told the truth, but I am still hurt.
I know.
You should talk to Joy.
What if he does not want to talk to me?
Then just be honest. I was jealous of you.
You were winning. Mary was helping you. I felt left out.
I trusted you. Your turn. Are you sure?
Clean shot. You remembered.
I am trying. I do not want to hide things again. Then tell us the truth next time. I will.
And no more cheating.
Never again.
So you can mark your golf balls.
You made more.
They are still ugly.
Same time next month.
We will be here.
I will bring water.
And the truth. And the truth. Do not lose that one. I know who to ask.